Hey guys, Chris from New Home Buddy here, kicking off our Builder Rep newsletter series, where every week we're going to come and give you some tips on how some of the other sales reps are using New Home Buddy extremely effectively to, of course, generate more sales. So I'm on the Builder portal. I'm logged in as a Meritage rep in San Antonio right now, just to kind of give you guys an idea of one of the strongest things that New Home Buddy does, which is the activity reports. So a lot of y'all wonder, hey, I've heard you talk about these activity reports. I don't get them. I want to know what my realtors are looking at, or I want to know what my clients are looking at. Wonderful. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The key is that you cannot just send them your personal link. You can't just click the personal link up here. You have to go in and manage your client list. There's a cool bunch of different features on here. If you want, you can make folders, have different categories like I have, right? Different things. But again, you have to manage this here. You come in, you click new client. And so for today example, I'll do test client. Great. You don't even need their email. You don't need their phone number. This name is just so that you know who they are. And then you can pick the type. Main difference right now is if you pick an agent, they'll see commission. If you pick a buyer, they won't. That's it. You hit save. Once this is done, you have a couple different ways to find them. Number one, you can scroll up and down the list like this, or you can just type their name in up here, and then you'll go ahead and instantly come to their page. You click new search, either send them everything if you just want them to see everything you can sell, or filter down. Of course, if it's a prospect, I would highly recommend filtering down to what they actually want, right? Maybe they want a home in this area, right? Okay, cool. And then you can say, I want to be under 500,000 for a 4-bedroom house, right? And it filters down. Okay, cool. These are the 13. Great. Wonderful. Name the search. Remember, whatever the name is, they will see it. So we kind of AI auto generate a name for you here, but you could do like, Meritage homes up to 500K, 4+ beds, whatever. Great. Copy that link. And now this is the link that you're going to send them in an email or in a text message when you do your follow up as the sales pro. Thanks for your visit today, prospect. Great having you in the neighborhood. Here is the link of all the stuff that is in your criteria of what you're looking for. Don't forget I can cross sell if you want to see other stuff, right? So they'll open it and they'll be able to see everything here. When they open this link, which again you created specifically for them, this is what's going to generate that email that's going to show you that they're on your New Home Buddy link, they're browsing houses, they're favoriting homes. And we also did an update where this is now shown also in their client page. So all of the activity will be shown in the client page now natively, where you'll be able to see exactly when they were in there, what they were clicking on. Like, for example, if you want to see that they favorited this home, great. You click on it, takes you right to it. So very, very easy, where you're able to see everything that they have done and everything that you really need to know in order to follow up for them. So this is my best tip in practice for you as a sales rep in the model trying to make a sale right now. Set your prospects and your VIP agents up this way so that you constantly have passive reports dripping to you, letting you know when someone's on your New Home Buddy link and what they're looking at, which is going to allow you to be able to set better appointments and ultimately sell more homes. Last thing on this, you'll even be able to see how many times they've come back. So you'll even be able to see how many times they've opened it with this little hourglass thing and the number of times that somebody clicked on homes, how many homes they've clicked on it. And then this will show you just the different filters and how you can edit the search. So pretty cool client page update that we've done here. As always, guys, if you get stuck, you need more training or help, don't forget that you can click on the support tab at any time, schedule a one-on-one training session with our remote trainer, Sarah. She's great. Or watch some other videos, and of course, some of these other options to request features and get some more help. But that's been our builder update for this week. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you next week.